Whoa! He says that to everyone. Usually people look dorky, but you, man.
Hey, put the chin strap on. Whoa, my man, looking sharp.
A patient has died after a nurse switches off the loud heart alarm while she FaceTimes her family.
Fuck, dude. That's crazy.
Wait, what the fuck? Whoa. So it's like, let's talk to your family one more time, and they FaceTime, and then she's like, hits the button?
Yeah, like the heart alarm.
Why?
An 85-year-old patient died after a nurse switched off his heart monitor while on FaceTime to her family. Her name is Geraldine Lumbo-Dizon, a Filipino.
Oh, god damn it.
Fuck. No. A nurse at the Nepean
Chances are they're going to be Filipino.
in Sydney. She received the call from her relatives during the night shift on July 29th.
Hi, auntie.
The nurse turned off the patient's alarm while chatting with her family back
Oh, this is so loud. Hold on, something's beeping.
on a 66-minute FaceTime call. So her family from the Philippines was calling her to Sydney. She also failed to inform doctors about the patient's irregular heart rhythm an hour before he died. And
66-minute phone call too.
Yeah, dude. Make it shorter.
Come on.
It's international. They don't
What can you
give a
possibly
shit.
talk about for that long?
Also, get some AirPods. You know?
But you know when you talk to your relatives, they want you to switch the phone to all 10 people in the room and stuff.
Yeah, that's.
So she's probably like, put auntie on the phone.
yeah, make her side more relatable.
Yeah,
That's the point.
That's my
The other
brother with
person on the
my
phone.
my nephew / godson or whatever. It's like, I don't need to see him playing with his toys. This isn't a fucking conversation. Kid's just like, hey, Uncle Steve, like, yeah, look at my fucking train, and I'm like,
But Steve, as a father, nothing warms your heart more than when you show your child to your friends and loved ones.
I disagree.
But you're not a father though, so you wouldn't understand.
Kid too. It's not my kid.
Exactly. That's why you would
It's not
never
that
understand.
interesting.
You would never understand.
Like when it's your
Who would
kid.
understand here?
Me and Bart.
Oh, why would you have a kid?
I got two little ones, dude. I got two little ones. I got a boy and a girl, and they're practically.
Are they still eating their own shit?
Hey man, I told you that confidence.
They lick each other's butts, right? Because they watch their mom and dad do it.
How do you train them not to fuck each other?
Oh, I have to keep them separated, please. Okay, but that's just called responsible parenting, and you would never understand that.
Did you give away the rest of their siblings yet?
I did.
As a
The good homes, bro.
As a father, I want to divvy up my children.
And I take them for walks, dude. And I feed them treats. Okay, just like Bart would with Tyke.
Sit, Taika, sit.
Well, on behalf of the Filipino community, sorry that happened.
Are you really sorry? I think you should say it again.
Yeah, I'm pissed because Filipinos are supposed to be really good nurses.
Yeah.
They are, though.
But you know, people can make mistakes. Just in their field, if you make a mistake, it just might.
We can't afford any more mistakes.
Is there a penalty for this?
She got
Murder?
her registration was suspended for at least 12 months.
At least 12 months.
I feel like the heart monitor thing gotta have at least like 3 buttons to like turn it off, right? You know, like if you can't just open the plain door, you gotta like this and then this and then this for safeties.
Yeah.
Why do you know that?
Because I was studying it. I was like, oh, you can't just
He
open
takes his
it.
job seriously, man.
Because I've been a leader for the...
Yeah. In the row. You're the guy. You're the guy.
Is it loud and
nice.
like annoying though, the heart monitor thing? Is that why she
Yeah.
turned it off?
Well, it's loud.
She couldn't go to the different room and
It was an
talk?
alarm. It wasn't like the.
Oh, like it would kept going off?
It was like the heart alarm because something was irregular with
And
this.
she goes, shut up! Already shut up!
Way more relatable.
Like the alarm only goes off when something bad is happening.
So AirPods
Like a
would.
fire alarm. She's like, shut up! A sound.
So only 12 months, and then she's back.
She actually murdered someone.
She was found guilty of professional misconduct and unsatisfactory professional conduct.
So that's what they're calling it, huh? That's a pretty big blunder. And
It says nursing and medical staff could not hear the alarm because the telemetry alarm speakers were still disconnected.
Dude, that's a freaking...
shit.
Sounds like a Fontana Kaiser.
But I mean, should she be punished for being lazy? Is laziness a crime?
Yeah. In this case, absolutely.
I don't know
especially if
she's-
somebody dies.
I don't know if she's lazy or she's fucking jaded. She's
Yeah.
fuck. It's like,
That could be it.
To be fair, there's a lot of sounds that come from freaking hospital equipment that they just go... and you're fine. Like you're okay, you know.
It's like when you have when your alarm goes off in the parking lot, you don't think someone's breaking in.
And you just hear
you just hear the sound. You're like, I'm like, shut up.
Why can't FaceTime be like some technology that old people hate? But instead, it's always old people fucking.
Yeah.
That's true, huh?
Yeah,
it's like,
every time.
I either text or like voice memo, or like if I really have to, we call.
Dude, I'm at the grocery store and I watch this guy being so disrespectful to the checkout person. They're like FaceTiming their fucking bro or whatever, or this chick, and like the cashier's just trying to ring them up and like have them pay, and they're just keep on fucking going and going and going like this.
Yeah. If it's old people, though, it's not selfie angle. It's like their whole nose is covering the camera.
True.
What?
There's also like even before that there was the obnoxiously large Bluetooth.
Yeah, I still use those.
That's my dad.
Yeah. With a phone clip.
That's for sure my
my
dad.
dad.
Bluetooth and phone clip.
Or now it's the AirPods. After I got him AirPods, dude, this guy, when he found out that you could just use one so that you could save the battery of the other, and then when this dies, you could switch it.
They already last forever.
Gangster. Dude, mine's die all the time.
What?
Yeah.
You know, it was a top selling phone accessory item in the early 2000s in Cerritos Mall.
The wallet?
The leather flip phone holster for your belt.
I had it.
I had one too, bro.
And I loved it.
They're gangster. I wish I could bring it back.
We couldn't keep those on the shelf.
They're
Probably
flying
could.
off.
The day that I said I can't do this anymore was when I had my phone on the belt clip thing, and I was moving out from this shitty apartment, and I got in this argument with my girlfriend at the time, and I told her to go fuck off and stuff. And then the door for this apartment thing snapped back and hit the side of and broke my phone. So I couldn't like call her back and be like, "Hey, I'm sorry, I said go fuck yourself" or whatever. Like, cause it was my screen was shattered, and I was like, I'm done with this.
I couldn't call her back and say sorry for saying go fuck yourself.
The door broke your phone.
It did. The door snapped back.
What kind of phone was it?
It was one of those Treo 600.
That's such a don't let the door hit you on the way out, like truth one.
It was. Yeah.
It's funny, dude.
But if you could
Big time
apologize
cut,
because she's listening right now.
No, I wouldn't now, because we broke up.
This isn't the one that you sat across from the comedy bar?
No.
Okay.
This was earlier than that. Yeah. She was being a real major flaming cunt. And I had to let her know.
I did hella have one of those though. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, those are tight.
The Treo 600?
No, the leather holster.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the holster for the flip
With a
phone.
magnetic strip that would just like you would flip and it would just
So dorky, but like such a top seller, man.
so good.
It matched my rolly backpack
I bet. I knew it.
that I didn't have.
You also probably dropped phones way less back then. Because now it's like you're just holding it in your hand or you keep it in your pocket. It's just probably sliding down and falling all over the place. I wish you got cracked screens. Every single phone I had a cracked screen.
Yeah, we need more belt cases
Like
for
this.
our phone.
Fanny
A
packs.
fanny pack.
Belt cases for the phone.
We should talk about accessories.
Maybe a wallet chain, a bike chain for your.
I do like when my glasses have the fucking cord in the back. It helps me.
So dorky.
This guy doesn't even wear glasses.
I do.
Do you wear contacts?
No, I got ICL.
Oh, yo, you have your rich people stuff.
Got eyeball.
I got a dorky hat recently. It's like it's kind of like a fly fisherman's bucket hat, right?
Does it have safari
But-
flaps on it?
Yo, it has a fucking chin strap.
Safari flaps.
It has a fucking chin strap
That's
that's
gangster.
tight as hell, right?
It's normal though, right?
And it has the back neck covering.
Yeah, see?
Because it's like a mullet.
You don't want your.
That's good for sun though. Yeah, UV protection. That's good for fishing.
Those are safari flaps.
It's like the built-in do-rag.
Yep. It's my paddle boarding.
I have one of those from Colombia.
You need it.
Did the guy at the store say he's never seen anyone pull it off like you?
Whoa! He says that to everyone. Usually people look dorky, but you, man.
Looking good, Chief. That looks like a fit to me.
Holy shit! You pull that off, man. I didn't.
Whoa! I never seen anybody pull that off.
Nobody pulls it off like
You
you.
gotta get this hat, bro.
Usually only losers wear this, but man.
How much is the hat? It's $150, but it's well worth the investment.
But today it's 175 for you.
Hey, put the chin strap on. Whoa, my man. Looking sharp.
And the chin strap's tight, so it pushes my face like this. It makes my cheeks fucking fat.
You got a sexy jawline with that.
Don't
thing.
buy that hat. I'm getting.
I'm kidding.
I'm getting that.
Last one. That's the last one.
We can't keep these
I
on
just,
the
I just
shelves.
looked it up on my computer. That's definitely the last one. We don't have any in the back.
Sold out for the entire Midwest.
And Joe's like, you think I should get it? He's
I was like,
like,
I don't know about the color. He's like, we got all the colors.